Hi friends, today in this video we are going to see what are the useful parts inside a old CD or DVD reader of a computer. I collected this reader from a old computer repairing shop and it cost me less than $1. Let's remove this cover. I bought this from a local computer repairing shop for less than $1. So this is the inside of this. Let's remove this. Okay, here we can see some motors. Firstly, here we can see three motors. Here is a DC motor. Here is a BLDC motor which is a brushless, and for sliding of this lens here is a stepper motor. I will show you clearly by removing the circuit board. Firstly we remove these jumpers. Okay, I peeled off the circuit board. Remove all the connections. Okay, here we can see clearly. Here is the stepper motor which drives the laser front and back, and here is a BLDC motor which rotates the disc, and here is a DC motor, normal DC motor, which slides the tray. Which slides the tray. This DC motor operates this tray. Let's remove this casing. Friends, please like and subscribe my channel. First we have to remove this top cover or top shell. Be careful while removing this. These ends are very sharp and they can cut your hands. Let's keep it aside. Here we can see the CD tray. Here is the pulley of the DC motor which drives this tray inside and outside. Let's remove this BLDC motor. Friends, this BLDC is a motor which do not have the brush. BLDC stands for brushless DC motor. See friends, it is very powerful and it has 4 wires. Some motors have 3 wires only. It is used for as per one making many projects. It is controlled by an ESC. We cannot control it or drive it by applying voltage to it. We have to use an ESC. Let's keep it aside. After I will tell you. Let's remove this. Okay friends, here we can see a laser. This is the laser lens. Both sides there are magnets which are very powerful. Yeah, let's keep it aside. Let's unscrew that stepper motor. Okay, we have unscrewed the stepper motor. This is the stepper motor. Friends, there are some motors, stepper motors. This is the motor which I have collected from another CD-ROM, CD or DVD reader. They are very useful. The CD tray can be used in making of projects like old. We can make some projects like CNC plotter, mini CNC drawing machine, which I had listed in top 5 Arduino videos. I give you the link in the top. Let's go and watch the top 25 2020 Arduino projects. In that you will find a project named mini CNC plotter or mini CNC drawing machine, which is made by this old CD reader. Once please check it out friends. Okay, let's keep it aside. Then going to this part. Let's remove this circuit board. Here we found a DC motor. This is the motor which is used in many projects. In some right as we will find motors which are with wires, which are having wires. Coming to this sliding tray. Okay, it's very hard friends to remove this. Okay friends, this is the sliding tray of the CD or DVD. This sliding tray can be used for making automatic opening and closing doors, sliding doors project, or automatic opening and closing doors project. Let's also keep it aside. Let's see what we find inside this laser. Let's unscrew this. Friends, please like and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Okay, be careful while removing these screws, because this is a plate which edges are very sharp and it can damage your fingers. Here inside we can see there are lenses, two lenses and a laser. Let's remove this laser. Okay, first we have to remove this circuit. Okay, I have unscrewed it. Okay, here you can see in this there is the lines which reach the disc, and both sides of it there are, you can see clearly, there are two magnets which are very powerful. Let's remove that the magnets. Okay, here friends, you can see it is very tightly sticked. Here these are the two magnets which are very strong. I will show you. See how strong they are attaching. You can listen the sound. These magnets can be further useful for our projects. Let's keep them aside. Let's remove this ribbon cable. Take off the circuit board. Here we have finally reached the laser. Let's remove it. It is very tightly fitted. Okay, here we can see this is the laser diode which has 3 pins. This laser diode can be used in making some projects with laser. This laser diode is very powerful. Let's keep it aside. Here we can find a lens. I found 2 of the lenses. They are also very useful. Let's keep them aside. This is the waste. Throw this away. Now I'm going to show you inside this BLDC motor. This is the BLDC motor which I found inside this CD driver. This motor top has a magnet. We can see how it is sticking. Some motors, there are few motors which I have collected from other writers. They don't have magnets on the top. They have magnets on this part. But now our CD-ROM has magnet on top of the BLDC motor. These are the motors which I have collected from. I have 4 BLDC motors which I have collected from other different types of CD-ROMs. Let's keep them apart. Let's remove this. It is very difficult to remove these springs. Be careful, it can cut your hands. Okay, this motor is very hard, so I removed the other motor. I have soldered these 4 points. There are 4 points for this motor. I have soldered 4 wires to this. This is the winding inside this motor. Here we can find a magnetic ribbon and a shaft. Here it is the winding made of copper. When we give power to it, this winding will produce some amount of magnetic force, and it will causes this magnet to rotate. This motor can be rotated by using ESC. Without ESC, ESC is an electronic speed controller which is used to control drone motors or BLDC motors. Here we are having BLDC motor, so that we have to use ESC to run it. At present time I don't have it, friends. In future video I will make a video on this, how to run this BLDC motor using ESC. Let's keep them apart. Coming to this stepper motor. These stepper motors are motors which are same as like the BLDC motors. These have 4 terminals which are controlled by a separate IC or some microcontrollers. We cannot control them by using direct battery or a power supply. We have to use some drivers or microcontrollers to it. This can be used in making of mini CNC plotter projects. Let's keep them aside. This is a BLDC motor. This is a DC motor which I found in this CD-ROM. This is having 2 terminals, which is one is positive and one is negative. In this CD-ROM I found the DC motor without wires. In some writers we will find these motors like this which are having wires which come inside from this motor, but this motor have the 2 terminals outside this back cover. Here we can see the difference, but their size and power are same. I will show you the back side. Here there are 2 terminals, but here there are 2 wires running out. Okay, let's keep it apart. So that's all for today, friends. From this CD-ROM I found these parts. First one is CD tray, which is used for making opening and closing doors project, and second one is a 3 motors. First one is a DC motor which can be powered directly by a voltage source, and second one is a stepper motor which can be driven by a microcontroller or some other logic board. And third one is a BLDC motor which is also driven by a ESC, means electronic speed controller, use it for controlling drone motors, and two magnets, a laser diode, and some lenses and some small screws which can be used for further projects, and rods which can be used for shaft of some toys. Okay friends, that's all for today. Please like and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.